In this Dynasty review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to allow you to create profitable e-commerce stores in just a few clicks. And make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, and a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to take a look at Dynasty, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says tap into the new multi-trillion-dollar online store craze. Press one button to activate automated online stores that flood us with $1,000 to $2,000 payments over and over again by using weird products that sell like hotcakes. So essentially what the software does is it allows you to make e-commerce stores. It's free hosting and domain included, so you don't have to have your own domain or anything like that. Here are different products that you can sell inside of these different stores here. Now they've got proof here. This is proof of money that they have coming to their accounts. I can't verify that this is money from these actual stores. He says high ticket sales on autopilot. Here's step one. It says activate your store. Step two, add products to your store. And step three, you can add, it says send free traffic in just one click. You can do this with up to 9 viral buyer traffic platforms at the same time. Now here's income proof here. This looks more like JVZoo or Warrior Plus proof here. So I'm not sure if that's associated with the stores here. But as I always tell you guys, purchase these things based upon what they do and not the big income screenshots that are on these sales pages. They put these income screenshots to get people excited about it, but I want you to purchase it if you're going to get it based upon what it does, not on these things here. Like this is money that he's made in other things in his business, that's not money that's from these stores here. So if we go down here, there's more screenshots of money. Don't we love those screenshots of money? Let me bring you down to the bottom here. Like a bunch of bonuses you're going to get if you purchase. Okay, so here's the thing. What you're going to get. So if you purchase, you get the web app, the free built-in traffic, the one-click cloning, step-by-step videos, free online store hosting, free domain name, all these different bonuses here, and it's a one-time price. Now here's the thing that not everyone's going to show you. When you come to the sales page, I'm going to show you here. Move your mouse away like this, and you can get a discount code that comes up. Now, I make less as an affiliate by showing this to you, but I always want you to get the lowest price if you are a subscriber or a viewer of my videos here. So give me a like if you like the fact that I show you these discounts here. I appreciate that. Okay, I'm going to show you a quick demo video, and then I'll be back to show you the OTOs and the discounts.
Guys, we have taken the multi-trillion-dollar online store craze into a whole new level. Way easier and faster to install. Way easier and faster to manage. Way easier and faster to profit. Like never before. We have used technology to make it easier and faster for you, purposely. Guys, welcome to Dynasty, your ultimate solution to find yourself a big slice of the multi-trillion-dollar e-commerce business pie in just 3 simple steps. Step 1, activating your store. Dynasty lets you activate a professional-looking, flexible, and easy-to-customize store in WordPress with DFY templates. It only takes you 1 click to do this. You just need to add a hot topic you would like to work with as a subdomain and click on Build Store. What Dynasty is doing now is activating your professional-looking, flexible, and easy-to-customize store in WordPress with DFY templates. The fastest ever, guys. Yes, you don't have to deal with domain or hosting. You don't have to deal with WordPress installations, plugins, or themes. Everything is set up for you with just 1 click and in less than a minute. And there you have your store installed, guys. You can delete it, log into it, and if you don't want it to be on our subdomain, you can integrate into a new or an existing domain of your choice. How cool is that? If you would like to buy a new domain and integrate your store to it, we understand how hard it could be to come up with a good domain name. I myself have spent hours and even days to come up with a good domain name idea. But with Dynasty, you have a really nice domain finder where you can easily come up with really nice domain name ideas instantly available to purchase. You just add a niche keyword here, and you will see a bunch of awesome domain ideas in the most popular domain name extensions available for purchase in just seconds. You can just buy it and then integrate it into your store in just seconds too. Here you are in your store WordPress dashboard, a 100% clean, peaceful, and ads-free WordPress installation. And what we have installed for you is a pro WordPress theme you won't find for free anywhere else online. You have it free of charge with Dynasty. And why not just use a free WordPress theme? Well, simply because free themes are not 100% professional, and they make you just waste your time, guys. As you notice, you have up to 4 professional-looking, ready to plug-and-play DFY demo sites you can install in just a click and be able to easily customize in just minutes. But we have gone above and beyond, guys, and have made it even easier for you. We have customized a store demo site, which will make it a lot easier for you to get stuff done and profit a lot faster. And you just need to import it by using the easiest ever WordPress migration plugin, which comes with the WordPress installation. And there you have your site 100% ready to start adding ready-to-profit products and everything done in less than a minute. Yes, guys, the site is empty, but you will be shocked with what I'm about to do in step 2. Step 2, adding products to your store. Dynasty lets you add hundreds of ready-to-profit products in less than a minute as well. And yes, you don't have to deal with inventory or anything like that. Here inside your WordPress installation, we have provided you with a customized WordPress plugin which will do all of the magic for you. Here you will be adding a magic link which I will show you how to create inside the training workshop, and yes, it also takes you less than a minute to set it up. And what's even cooler is the fact that this link comes with dozens of ready-to-profit products already integrated with your affiliate ID. You then just need to decide how you want the information of each product to be displayed on your post, and click on Start Import. Then the plugin will do all the magic for you without you doing absolutely anything. You don't have to go and pick any products online. You don't have to download any relevant images. You don't have to create any content for the post. You don't have to add your affiliate links to each and every one of the posts. You don't have to create any posts either. It's all done on complete autopilot. And there you have it. You just need to refresh the page and everything will be there for you. Look at this, guys. This is a professional-looking, high-converting, and fun, ready-to-profit store with ready-to-profit products, all of them integrated with my own affiliate link. And I was able to do this in less than a minute. But things don't stop here, guys. We have also created something out of this world related to traffic generation. Step number 3, sending free buyer traffic in one click. Dynasty lets you place your store in front of as many buyer eyes as you want in less than a minute. And you guys can do this in up to 9 viral buyer traffic platforms at the same time. Yeah, this is nuts. The traffic engine you see here will let you send free buyer traffic in one click at the same time to Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, Reddit, Blogger, WordPress.com, and to your WordPress self-hosted sites by using the different high-converting formats, which are text, link, image, HTML, and video. And on top of that, we have also prepared 2 automation power tools to automate your Facebook and Messenger marketing to levels never thought possible. Guys, this is it. This in reality is your ultimate chance to find yourself a big slice of the multi-trillion-dollar e-commerce business pie in just 3 simple steps, the quick and easy way. And on top of that, we will grab you by the hand and show you step by step over our shoulder how to profit with this faster than ever, like no other app would do for you. See you guys inside.
Okay, so for this one, I don't have the actual pages for the different upgrades, but I do have a list of them here. Now, there's an unlimited version. The price is $37 for this one, but here's what I want you to do for all of them. When you do the same thing that I showed you on the original sales page, move your mouse away on them. You can probably get a downsell. I can't guarantee because I don't have the pages, but most likely I'm guessing there's going to be a downsell if you move your mouse away or you click that no thanks button. So again, I make lessons an affiliate, so make sure you give me a like if you like that I show you these discounts. So the first one is the unlimited version. It says you get to create unlimited online stores instead of just 5. All the limits are removed alongside of it. OTO number 2, it's $197. You can probably get a discount on that again if you do the little trick that I showed you. They'll do all the work setting up the store for you. So that's a done for you. Number 3 is if you want to upgrade your process, they say you can profit with it within an hour with this. So this is faster. OTO number 4. It's going to give you, you can tap into, I think you can put a retargeting pixel on their pages for this one. OTO number 5, you get 12 extra online stores. And then the last one is reseller rights. So all these different OTOs and upgrades, 100% optional. Pick and choose which ones you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about Dynasty and what don't I like about it? As the trend with these is I don't like all the crazy screenshots on the sales pages. I want to see direct, like this store made this amount of money. So I don't like just these random big screenshots on the sales pages. So just know, again, like I always tell you, buy these things based upon what they do, not based upon the hype around them. What do I like about this? Building e-commerce stores can be expensive. It normally involves things like Shopify that costs a monthly fee. You have to buy domain names, you have to buy hosting. With this system, if you're someone that's just getting started, you want something that's easy to set up and that's not going to cost you an arm and a leg, then definitely check this out. Thanks so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at Dynasty, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.